It was a long time ago that an elephant lived in a forest. This forest was situated on the edge of a village. In that village, a parrot was locked in a cage of a house. The parrot wanted to roam in the open sky. He always thought that when that day would come when he would be able to roam freely in the open sky and jungle. One day, the parrot finally got that chance. The parrot escaped from that cage and reached straight to the jungle. He breathed relief after going to the jungle. The parrot was very happy. In that jungle, he used to go from one tree branch to another, and sometimes from the second to the third branch. He was roaming in the forest and eating the fruits. Suddenly, he saw the elephant. The elephant was resting below the tree, and the parrot thought of a prank. Now he made a plan to disturb the elephant. He said to the tree by pecking at the elephant. The elephant woke up, and when he looked in the front of the parrot, that he saw that parrot is laughing. The elephant looked at the parrot, but he fell asleep again.